Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a rice cooker. We are in a here electricity shop and there's a bunch of rice cookers here. And this is a regular, pretty regular function, $75. It's not bad. You can make rice, you can make porridge, you can make brown rice, whatever. Okay, so here this is $700, almost $800. The difference is here, this is gray, so you can make more tasty rice. That's why this is $700. And this one, you can take off the jar after you made the rice so that you can bring it to the table. That's great. By the way, this is $900, almost $1,000. Expensive. Yeah, what's now? Now this one is $200. It's not bad. This one has a special the pot. I don't know what to say. It has a diamond on the inside, so there you can make rice tastier. Now this function, you can make cake, and also you can save the electricity fee. You can make ginshari, which means sushi rice. That's interesting. $200 in a bag. Cool. And there's another line for only for rice cookers. 900 over 1300. Yeah, it's safe, but you can change how hard the rice is. It's interesting. But there's many rice cookers. I don't know what you want. Oh, this one is interesting. Looks cool. And this one the steam doesn't come out. Instead, the steam goes here. So that the house in the room, that it wouldn't be so hot. It's interesting. And by the way, it's $400. Okay, that's all. Ciao. Okay, so this one is $500. It used to be $900, I guess, almost $1,000. This one you can make especially for sushi rice and curry rice. And you can make a little bit brown rice if you want. You can make porridge. You can make sushi rice and nigiri for nigiri. Yeah, this sushi rice is for different kind of sushi, the Japanese way. It's interesting. Because they have like a dots in the bottom, you see? The water goes around so that you can make better rice, tastier rice. Interesting. Okay, this one is almost $600. This one you can put the pressure in it where you're making rice, so that the rice gonna be tastier. And also you can make cake. You can make the boiled egg. You can make porridge. Yeah, interesting. I can open it. Okay, so this one is like a $160. And this was interesting because here is a list of the brand of the rice. That means they have like each rice has a specific way to cook rice, because they want better rice, better way to cook rice. Oh, this one is like a kind of slow cooker function. You can make stew, you can steam. Yeah, interesting. Okay, this one is like $250. This function is good. Only 15 minutes you can make rice. Actually want this kind of function better than the brand of the rice. This one white rice, very tasty rice, quick little amount, porridge, cake. Takikomi gohan is like you put more ingredients like a fish or veggies or soup stock, and you can make the flavored rice. That's good. Okay, here's the other lane for the rice cooker. This said simple and reasonable. So this is smaller for single people or something. This is $40. The function is pretty simple, and as you see, this is small. $70 is cute. $60. 50. Yeah. What's this? Oh, so this one is actually, this is not a rice cooker, but it's a rice washer. $20. Interesting. So this one say you can make rice and a deli together. Oh, which means there's another thing on the top so that you can cook something on the top.